name?
Hi, my name is Eric Hipple. I teach at Concordia Lutheran School in Peoria, Illinois, and we are a long-time Gradelink school. One of the greatest things I love about Gradelink is the reports that you can easily run for your classes, as well as the ease of emailing your parents. When you have to send out a mass email, it's very easy, few clicks, and send it out. Get Gradelink. It's a great program. It's really user-friendly, especially from the parent side of things. I'm really excited that the company is going to be working on a teacher app. That's very exciting from our perspective. So, yeah, go Gradelink.
All right.